Welcome back to the Conrad Supis Crypto Show. Two things before we go any further. One, this is not financial advice. This is purely my opinion for your entertainment. I'm not a financial advisor. If you would like financial advice, go get a financial advisor. Two, smash the like button. It really helps out with the YouTube algorithm. If you got a question or you have a comment, leave it in the comments section. If you want to see more of this, subscribe. Check out my TikTok and Instagram at Big Time Bitcoin. I put quality content out there as well. So, with today's Whiteboard Wednesday, we got the Simpsons. No, I'm not going to be talking about Homer and Marge, but I am going to be talking about Bart Simpson. So, recently, the Bitcoin price has created the Bart Simpson pattern. And many of you are probably wondering, what does the Simpsons have to do with Bitcoin? Well, I'll tell you what the Simpsons have to do with Bitcoin. Here's what it has to do. When Bitcoin is trending at a price like this, and then it jumps up, trends like this again, and then jumps back down, it makes something like this. You know what this shape looks like? It looks like Bart Simpson's head. So you got your eyes right there. He'll be out there. I'm a terrible artist, but you get the idea. It makes the shape of Bart Simpson's head. Why do we only really hear about this in cryptocurrency, you may ask? Well, I got an answer for you. My answer is that Bitcoin is a much more volatile asset than most stocks or bonds or metals are. So it can lead to these sort of images right here when it's trending around 9,600, jumps to 10,200, and then it's back down to 9,500. So let's say you think you're really good at cryptocurrency and you think you can buy it here, have it jump up, sell at the top of Bart's head, and then get your money out before it goes back down. Well, I got a place for you. Binance.us. Binance.us has the lowest trade fees of any crypto exchange in America. They have a 0.1% fee. Sign up, start buying cryptocurrency today. But on the other hand, let's say you think, I just want to buy a little bit at a time and wait it out. Same place. Buy it right here, Binance.us. My link is in the description. Click my link, sign up, and create an account today. Start buying Bitcoin. Experience the Bart Simpson pattern for yourself. Visit Springfield and see Mr. Burns buy Bitcoin. No, I'm not kidding. You can't actually visit Springfield and see Mr. Burns buy Bitcoin, but you can buy Bitcoin and see a Bart Simpson pattern happen. So with that being said, this is my Whiteboard Wednesday. Have a great day.